In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an out-of-office auto reply to your emails, assuming you want to go on vacation and you will not be able to have access, or you have minimal access to your email. So any email that comes into your mail, it is going to receive an auto reply telling them you're on vacation. So to add that, all you need is to open your email. This is Yahoo, and you can come over to the settings over here, and you can come to more settings. And then once you're here, you can see out of office response. Now you can enable this, define the dates when you will be out, for example, from today until 7 days from now. So let's say 4 days from now. And then you can always come over here, put in the message. Okay, so this is the message that I want to add. Dear sender, kindly know that I'm away for vacation. I'll respond as soon as I have access to my mail. So you can add this and send this a different response to specific domains. You can do that, but this is the default of what you are going to get. So once you click on save, this is now going to be an out of office response. It is saved, and within this period, anybody who sent an email will receive this. And if you want to remove it, you can always come back the same process and click on turn it off, and you'll be able to turn that off. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.